how to stream Netflix in Discord with audio. Hello guys and welcome, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Discord. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our share screen over here, and we would see this option over here. This is where we will be able to share our screen. Right now we are currently on the your entire screen section, which would share our entire screen. We have the application window over here and the Opera tab over here. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to select on Netflix over here, as you can see here on our screen, and we're going to make sure that we are sharing the tab audio. By clicking on share, we would be able to see this pop up over here, and we're going to click this. And as you can see, Netflix is currently streaming, and you would be able to hear the audio coming from yours, and you would be able to hear the audio from Netflix. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.